Hey everybody, this is Tyler here at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cumming, Georgia, and I'm out here in a new 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, and I'm here to make a case for choosing factory navigation. I know that a lot of times when I'm helping a customer order a new vehicle, a special order, they choose to not opt for factory navigation, and I understand why. A lot of us are navigating with our phones nowadays, and with these radios being capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your maps are always updated, your phone is always charged. So I completely understand that, but I want to show you a couple things that you probably didn't realize that your factory navigation systems in these new Chrysler Group vehicles will do for you. So we're gonna switch around right here and show you the factory radio. Okay, you see how the map is facing. Now that is facing Georgia 400 because the vehicle is facing Georgia 400. It's right on the other side of that hill right there. Now I'm going to flip over to the navigation screen that my Android Auto is hooked up to, and you can see that Georgia 400 is right there. Now, why is that like that? Your phone has one GPS sensor in it, so it doesn't know which way you're facing. Your vehicle has two GPS sensors in it, so it always knows which way you're facing. With your phone's navigation system, it'll know which way you're facing once you get moving. Sometimes, and this happened to me in stopping for gas in a strange place, I got a little turned around when I got into the gas station because it was at kind of a funky intersection, and I had to drive through the gas station a couple of times before my map on my radio knew which way I was facing. So with your factory navigation, you're always going to know which way is forward when you have the map up on your screen. Now, in addition to this, in Chrysler Group vehicles, you're also going to get Travel Link anytime, and Traffic anytime you have factory navigation. So what is that going to do for you? Gas prices at gas stations that are around you. If you don't know how to get to a gas station, you pick one, you hit go now to send the address to your nav, and it'll even tell you the fuel prices and the last dates the prices are reported. You can pull up movie listings at theaters that are around you. Maybe you're in Alpharetta, Roswell area, and you want to go to North Point's movie theater. You can hit go now to send the address to nav, pull up movie listings. Here's the show times. If you haven't seen this one, I do recommend it. It's a lot of fun. Hit the info button for your stars, runtime rating, and synopsis. You can pull up sports scores and schedules for all these sports. You can pull up the weather. Here's what's going on now, your next little bit today, and then over your next 5 days. You can even pull up a weather map. Okay? You can also have traffic. Now, this screen right here is going to be free for 5 years when you buy one of these vehicles new, as long as it has factory navigation. I'm going to show you another thing that your factory navigation will do for you. Right here, these buttons, the assist and SOS buttons, are part of what's called Sirius XM Guardian, and that's going to be free to you for a year. That's going to give you stolen vehicle assistance. It's going to give you theft alarm notification. It's going to give you access to that Wi-Fi hotspot right there. That there's an additional charge for it, but if you have a device that needs to run on Wi-Fi and you don't have a Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone, you've got one here in your vehicle. You're going to be able to send an address to your navigation on your radio. You're going to be able to locate your vehicle. Maybe you forgot where you parked when you went shopping. Maybe you don't remember where you parked when you went, I don't know, hunting or camping, and you're out hiking in the woods and you lost your way to your vehicle. As long as you can get a signal, you can find where your vehicle is and get back to it. So those are the additional benefits of getting factory navigation in a new Chrysler Group vehicle. It's called Traffic and Travel Link, and it's Sirius XM Guardian. And again, because I've had personal experience with this, you're always going to know which way you're facing, whether you are moving or stopped. So hope that this video was educational for you. It's just a little bit of food for thought. And if you enjoyed this content, you want more, just drop me a little message. I'll be happy to review any other equipments or features that your vehicle has and help you out in any way, shape, or form. Enjoy your Chrysler Group vehicle. Again, this is Tyler, and I'm at Chrysler in Cumming, Georgia. If you ever need to reach me, my number is 470-296-1778. That's my cell phone. Hit me up. I'll be glad to help. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you again soon.